How to find VPN settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find VPN settings on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find this one, more connections. Click on it, and as you see here you will find VPN. Click on it, and here you will find VPN settings, and you can add VPN network if you want. And that's it, it's easy. Just click more connections and here we'll find it, and that's how to find the VPN settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.